Hey everyone, and welcome to Varsity. And today we're diving into the world of AI image generation with a closer look at Flux, the latest contender from Black Forest Labs. Now, if you're anything like me, you've been blown away by the insane capabilities of AI image generators like Stable Diffusion and Midjourney. They've completely changed the game, letting us create stunning visuals with just a few words. But hold up, because Flux is here to shake things up even further. Black Forest Labs, the team behind Flux, is on a mission to make AI image generation more accessible and user-friendly. They want to empower everyone, from seasoned artists to tech newbies, to unleash their creativity and bring their wildest imaginations to life. And let me tell you, Flux has the potential to do just that. Flux boasts a sleek and intuitive interface that makes it a breeze to use. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Under the hood lies a powerful AI engine capable of generating high-quality images that can rival the best out there. Whether you're a digital artist looking for new tools to enhance your workflow, or just someone who loves playing with the latest tech, Flux is definitely worth checking out. Trust me, you're going to want to see this.
So how does Flux stack up against the heavyweights like Stable Diffusion and Midjourney? Well, it's important to note that Flux is still relatively new to the scene, but it's already making waves with its impressive capabilities. Stable Diffusion has been a fan favorite for its open-source nature and customizable features. It's got a massive community constantly pushing its boundaries. Midjourney, on the other hand, is known for its artistic flair and ease of use. It's all about generating those mind-blowing, almost dreamlike images that have taken the internet by storm. Flux aims to strike a balance between the two, offering a user-friendly experience while still delivering high-quality results. It's got a clean interface that's easy to navigate, even if you're new to the world of AI image generation. And while it may not have the same level of customization as Stable Diffusion yet, Flux is constantly being updated with new features and improvements.
Now, we can't talk about AI image generation without mentioning Google and their impressive image gen model. This beast of a system has been making headlines for its photorealistic image quality and mind-blowing capabilities. Google's image gen has set a new standard for the industry, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI image generation. It's capable of generating incredibly detailed and realistic images that are almost indistinguishable from real photographs. While Flux may not be quite at the same level as ImageGen in terms of sheer image quality, it's still early days. Flux is improving rapidly, and it's exciting to see how it will continue to evolve and challenge the status quo.
One of the things that makes Flux so appealing is its accessibility. You don't need a supercomputer to run it. In fact, you can get started with Flux 1 right on your own machine using some simple Python scripts. It's surprisingly straightforward. First things first, you'll need to download the necessary files from the Black Forest Labs website. They've got a dedicated section for Flux 1, complete with all the installation instructions and resources you'll need. Once you've got everything downloaded, it's time to fire up your Python interpreter and get this show on the road. With just a few lines of code, you'll be able to generate your very own AI-powered images. It's as simple as typing in a prompt, hitting enter, and watching as Flux works its magic. It's a truly mesmerizing process, seeing your words come to life right before your eyes.
Section 5. Level up your images, fine-tuning Flux with custom data. Now, let's say you want to take your AI image generation game to the next level. You want to create images that are uniquely yours, with a style that reflects your own personal brand. Well, Flux has got you covered there too. One of the coolest features of Flux is the ability to fine-tune the model using your own custom data. This means you can train Flux on a dataset of your own images, and it will learn to generate new images that share the same style and characteristics. It's like teaching Flux to see the world through your eyes. The process of fine-tuning Flux is a bit more involved than simply running a pre-trained model, but it's well worth the effort. By investing a little time and effort, you can create images that are truly one of a kind.
Section 6. Flux, but make it yours. Exploring the Pro, Dev, and Schnell models. Black Forest Labs understands that everyone has different needs and budgets when it comes to AI image generation. That's why they offer different models of Flux to choose from: Pro, Dev, and Schnell. Each model comes with its own set of features and capabilities, so you can find the perfect one to suit your needs. Flux Pro is the top-of-the-line model, packing the most powerful features and highest image quality. It's designed for professionals and serious hobbyists who demand the very best. Flux Dev, as the name suggests, is geared towards developers and tinkerers. It gives you more control over the model's parameters and allows you to experiment with different settings. And then there's Flux Schnell, the lightweight and speedy option. It's perfect for quick iterations and experimenting with different prompts. Think of it as the gateway drug to the world of Flux.
Section 7. The AI partner of your dreams or memes, creating with Flux. Now let's have some fun with this. One of the more entertaining applications of Flux is the ability to create, shall we say, unique AI partners. Imagine generating an image of your ideal companion, complete with all the quirky features and personality traits you desire. Want a partner who loves long walks on the beach and can quote every line from The Lord of the Rings? Flux can make it happen. How about a significant other who's an expert chef and can beat you at Mario Kart? No problem, just give Flux a detailed prompt and watch the magic unfold. Of course, this is all in good fun, but it highlights the incredible potential of Flux to bring our wildest ideas to life, even the silly ones.
Section 8, Fluxing it up, a new era of AI image generation. Flux is more than just another AI image generator. It's a glimpse into the future of creativity. A future where anyone with an internet connection and a bit of imagination can create stunning visuals that were once the exclusive domain of professional artists. It's still early days for Flux, but the potential is limitless. As the technology continues to evolve and improve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. Who knows, maybe one day we'll all be using Flux to design our dream homes, create custom video game characters, or even generate entire animated movies. The future of AI image generation is bright, and Flux is leading the charge. So what are you waiting for? Jump in, experiment, and see what amazing things you can create. Section 9, Disclaimer: Flux is still in development. Now, before you get too carried away, it's important to remember that Flux is still under development. That means you might encounter a few bugs or glitches along the way. But hey, that's all part of the fun, right? The team at Black Forest Labs is constantly working on improving Flux, adding new features and squashing those pesky bugs. So if you do run into any problems, don't hesitate to reach out to their community forums for help. They're a friendly bunch and always happy to assist. Overall, Flux is an exciting new addition to the world of AI image generation. It's user-friendly, powerful, and constantly evolving. I'm excited to see what the future holds for Flux and how it will continue to shape the world of digital art and beyond. Until next time, keep creating.